This is the Jeep Wagoneer S. This is the first all-electric Jeep. The company has been promising this for a while, and they did some really cool things. They took the Wagoneer name, which we have known as the full-size 7 or 8 passenger SUV with four-wheel drive, and they put the Wagoneer name on this all-electric Jeep. Then they gave it a really great powertrain. So it will have over 600 horsepower, a 300-mile range, and it will fully recharge at a DC fast charger in about 23 minutes. When it hits the market later in 2025, it'll be priced at about $72,000, and it will be built in the United States. Jeep took a really revolutionary approach to the design language. Yes, it is all Jeep. It is lifted, it has a nice high ground clearance, it will have all-wheel drive, it'll be capable of doing anything a Jeep can do. But inside, it's really luxurious. It has that very futuristic approach to screens and a steering wheel that's flat on top and bottom. It is all about the view out the windshield and not about obstructing your view with things like oversized driver displays. Probably one of the more notable things about the Jeep Wagoneer S is the light bar across the front and across the rear. That's something that we've seen in a lot of electric cars in the last few years, and we're seeing that in the Jeep Wagoneer S as well. Jeep is not new to electrification. In fact, the Jeep Wrangler 4xe plug-in electric hybrid is the best-selling plug-in electric hybrid in the country. So they do have some experience with electrification, but not with full electrification like we're seeing in the Wagoneer S. But remember that concept from Chrysler, Halcyon electric concept? Well, a lot of that technology is what is being built into the Jeep Wagoneer S. The interior of the Wagoneer S holds all the new Jeep design language for electrification with the Squircle steering wheel, so it's flat on top and flat on bottom. The driver display screen is embedded here into the dashboard, so you don't have a high driver display that's actually blocking your view. There's a nice big screen here, and there's actually a passenger screen so that your passenger is not just passive, but they're actually an active participant in your driving experience. Down here you'll find a whole new approach to the center console with a dial drive selector here, a start-stop button, and lots of metallic and modern feeling features. One thing that Jeep did in this car was they did not use any chrome. They found that the production process for chrome is not friendly to the environment, and they are working to phase out the use of chrome and phase in the use of more sustainable materials like the leatherette upholstery. When the Jeep Wagoneer S comes to the North American market later in 2025, it's going to be an important moment of proving its mettle. Will it really function off-road the way we know Jeeps to function? Will it really be a good electric car? And will customers embrace it? That's the question.